It's the Play-Doh Wheels front loader. I love construction trucks. Let's get rolling. It comes with 3 different cans, and it's for kids 3 years old and up. Wow! One of the cans has Play-Doh sand compound. I could make sand come out of the front shovel. That's gonna be fun. The claw can pick up the sand. Can't wait to try that. Look at all the construction stuff we could do. This thing is cool. I could move the claw around. This is what makes it a front loader. I can make a Play-Doh construction cone and some tools with these molds. Turn the crank in the back. I'm going to have a rocket time making pretend bolters with this mold. Some yellow modeling compound and blue. And here's the can of Play-Doh sand. I could press the back of the claw to open it and pick up my Play-Doh creations. Now I'll take out my Play-Doh sand compound to see how it works with the rock mold. You've got to fill up both sides of the molds like this. Then squeeze it shut. Open the mold back up and take it out. Let's rock and roll, everybody! Use the claw to pick up the rock we made out of Play-Doh sand. If you put it on top of the truck, you can make something else happen. Let's try it. You've just got to squish the sand in first to make it work, just like that. Turn the crank to grind up the rock into little bits. Keep cranking. We can't forget all the fun molds on the truck. Here's the cone mold. I'll put some yellow in here, and here's my Play-Doh cone. We could make a few cones for our pretend construction site and drive through them. I can also make a little blue walkie-talkie on the claw arm. And here's a mold to make a pickaxe for my construction site. I can use both colors to make the head and the handle. Let's pick up all the stuff with the claw to move it out of our way. We need more pretend tools for the job. Here's a Play-Doh monkey wrench. Flip the truck over for more shapes to make. This time, I'm making a regular Play-Doh wrench. We'll put that with the rest of our tools. Now I'll use 2 colors to make a shovel. Remember to get rid of the extra to make the shape come out nicely. I dig it! A little briefcase to go with my other pretend tools. I just noticed this other mold over here. It makes a saw. Can't forget our Play-Doh screwdriver to go with our other pretend tools. And here's my very own Play-Doh hammer. Now it's time to crush it all up. It's fun to make different Play-Doh things, but it's also fun to crush. There's always a job to do at my own construction zone. The Play-Doh Wheels front loader playset paves the way for me to use my imagination again and again. It's got lots of molds to make cool shapes. And the Play-Doh sand compound is so much fun to play with. Thanks for unboxing with me, everybody. It's the Play-Doh Candy Delight playset. This unboxing is gonna be pretty sweet.
What?
It says it comes with 5 Play-Doh cans. Looks like I can make it rain Play-Doh candies from here. She's turning the handle to make pretend candies come out. I want to try! Ooh, it puts one color inside another. That looks fun! What are we waiting for? Let's unbox. The pretend candy buckets. The cranker part. You can see the molds to make the 2 candy shapes, and I could turn the handle. Lots of molds to make Play-Doh candies. Here's the instructions. It's for kids 3 years and up. Here's the top. Some brown and blue. And here's the bottom. It's got some more molds. A little plastic knife. I think I could put my creations in here to fill the buckets. Here's a pretend candy cup maker. I can't wait to see what I could do with this. It's got 2 slots to put Play-Doh compound in. And of course, more Play-Doh colors. Okay, it looks like we have everything. Now, it's time to get a grown-up to assemble it. Thanks for putting it together, Mom. Let's pick 2 colors to put in this machine. Brown on one side, then green on the other. Now I squeeze the handle, put some muscle into it. Whoa, it puts the green inside the brown. I'll put the red and the brown in. Let's get cranking. It makes 2 kinds of Play-Doh candy at the same time. Look at all the Play-Doh gummy bears and pretend chocolates. So cool! Scoop them all up and fill the buckets like this. Now I'll make Play-Doh candy cups with the mold. Press it down good. Let's get rid of the extra here, then pop them out the bottom. Ta-da! Little Play-Doh candy cups. Cut it open and it's got the pretend filling inside. I want to crank the handle one more time. Whee! I could make so many cool shapes. It's like having my own Play-Doh candy store. What will you make with the Play-Doh Candy Delights playset? Thanks for watching!